Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Spotify for creators. You click on settings. Here you click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Spotify for creators and you click. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.